Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add blank pages on your Canva docs on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a blank pages on your Canva docs document, just going to show in this video. For an example, if I just download this file, you can see actually it will be go with some without any blank pages. So let's open this. You can see there is only one page. I just need to insert 3 blank pages here. You just need to keep any text before it like this, or just click on that before text and you can just make some spaces here. So that's it. For an example, I just need a blank page here too. So I'm just going to make some space, and now the blank pages has been inserted. For confirming that, you just need to click on the share option and click on the download as PDF now. So after downloading the PDF, you can just click on this and view it. You can find there is 3, 4, 5, 6 about type blank pages. So if you don't want more blank pages, just remove some spaces on the document, so your blank pages has been removed. And this is how you just insert a blank pages on your Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on the next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.